Hey y'all, welcome back to another video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And once you subscribe, you will be becoming a part of all of this chaos. If you are new here, go ahead and leave me a comment down below so I can say hello. All right, y'all. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you guys at the end. Hey y'all, so I wasn't gonna see you guys until like tomorrow at the dentist, but we were just having some dinner and Miss Aubrey lost her tooth. Her baby tooth. Look how tiny it is. Oh, it's so tiny. She lost her tooth, so we're about to go ahead and rinse out her mouth. Go ahead and get some. Where's your cup at?
Almost right here.
The cup? No, the other cup. Yeah. Leah, where's the cups for the bathroom? Here. Oh, here. We'll use one of these for now. Close your mouth. Mouth. Which one was it? Oh, there it is. Ooh, that is a. Ooh. Okay, until she gets here, go ahead and just rinse your mouth out.
Like this?
Yeah. Well, just use your hands. Can you not use your hands?
It's so hard. It's hard to use hands.
It's hard to use hands?
Yeah, you
Swish, 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 swish. Good job. I got her some salt water, warm water, and with salt, and we're gonna rinse her mouth out. I'll put it in the cup. So just swish only, okay? And then I'm gonna get a bag for your tooth, okay? Tomorrow. Just do not swallow it, okay? And I put her tooth in the bag. It's right there.
My last time.
I have some more. You gotta keep doing it. Did you count down from 10?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
It's really warm. It kind of tastes good, but I didn't get to taste it, and I just doing that on this side. I feel like if I do it on this side more.
Yeah.
Like I do it on both sides.
All right. Say goodnight.
Good night.
It's January 22nd. Happy Wednesday. I'm trying to get some good light here, guys. But we made it to the dentist appointment. We are a little bit late, but they're still going to see us. Our appointment was at 10. We have a blocked off session because it's so many of us. So they're getting everything set up. They're not going to let me film in there, but I will check back in with you guys after we're done. And then we'll go home and check on our cough syrup. I'm so excited. But I just want to say good morning, and I'll talk to you in a little bit. Dreaming of Hey y'all. So we made it back to the house. You guys, it is much later. It is 4:53 right now. And I think we got finished at the dentist appointment at like 12. So we was there for like 2 hours, which isn't too bad because they can actually keep us there for a little bit longer sometimes. But let me give y'all an update on the kiddos. So Leah didn't have any cavities, Lana didn't have any cavities, Braylon didn't have any cavities, Chloe needed a sealant, and Miss Aubrey had one cavity, but due to the insurance or something, she'd already had that looked at, I guess in so many months, and they can't do it right now, but they're gonna call her insurance, and then if they give the okay to do it, then we'll just have to go back and they'll do her filling then. They do want to have a consultation with the orthodontist for Aubrey's teeth. It goes like this, and she has an overbite. Now the overbite I know is from when she was a baby. She did suck her thumb, so I knew that was going to happen. Not for sure like what the procedure is because she's only 8 and I don't want to, like, we already have such a hard time. Well, I already have a hard time with Aubrey at the dentist that I just don't know if she's going to be okay, you know, for us. Like, I know it will be okay, but I don't know if she will be okay. And if she's not okay, then I'm not going to let her do it. But yeah, so she has to do that. And then Miss Chloe, she has some teeth up here and molars, I guess. I don't know if that's true, don't quote me on that, but something up here, and it's not coming down. So they looked at the x-ray from last time, and then they looked at the x-ray this time, and not much has changed. Maybe one has slightly come down. She said the one that should be down is not down. That should be first to go down is not down, but the second one is kind of lower. So I'm not sure. I hope y'all can see me if I'm not out of the view. Yeah, so I don't know, but Braylon also has an ortho appointment for his braces. So I've been knowing for a long time that Braylon was gonna need braces. So I guess on the 3rd, that's when the appointment is. We have to go back and do the 3 orthos. It is on a Monday, so the kids, those 3 will be out of school, and I'll just take them, and then we'll do that. But all in all, you know, 1 out of 5, I think we're good. They just need to work on their flossing and stuff, but yeah. But after that, we went ahead and after we left, I went ahead and went to Kroger's to get some food for tonight. I made just some burgers and fries. We've already ate it already. It was delicious. I always add like some slithering onions on top of mine. Like, it's balsamic vinegar and was it brown sugar and butter and some onions, and I saute it and I put it on my burger. Guys, so good. But my battery is about to freaking die, okay, as per usual. Oh, and y'all probably like, girl, what's wrong with your eyes? I tried to play around with trying to do my eyebrows. I don't know if they are looking good, but I'm trying. Every day I'm planning on like trying to improve on my eyebrows or my makeup and stuff. So yeah, we'll be doing that together because I definitely want to start being more girly. Not girly, I'm already girly, but more into like makeup and showing up and looking good and, you know, feeling good and all that stuff. So I want to start off with my brows, and then I want to get down to like that makeup look. I'll show y'all in another one. But anyway, it is currently 5 o'clock right now, and you guys, it is time to drain this. Y'all, look, my nail broke. Whoop, whoop, whoop. It's time to drain this, or strain it, not drain it, strain it. I have my strainer here, and I have another glass to strain it in. So I'm so excited, you guys. So we got our stuff. We got our cup, our extra cup. Got the top. There we go. We're gonna open it. That's what it looks like. Oh my god. Oh, you guys. It is so strong. You can definitely smell the honey though. I'm just going to... Oh, it came out too fast. She said it was too. I was too excited. Oh my god, look how much I spilled. I should have got a funnel, huh? That probably would have been better. Or strain it into like another bowl. Oh well. But this is, y'all, look how much, I'm gonna show y'all how much I just wasted. I don't know, I guess we just put that on there. Look at how much I've wasted. All this goodness. Okay, y'all, my battery had died after I made that big old mess, but this is what it looks like, guys. It is really looking like cough syrup, right? Like, it's a little bit more watery. It's not as thick. I don't know if I didn't add, look, don't worry about that nail. Oh my goodness. I don't know if I didn't add enough, but yeah. Oh my god, I'm so excited. You think we should taste it? I'm a little nervous. Let's taste it. Oh god, it's so strong. Alright.
Koragiri.
I mean, when you first take it, it does hit you a little bit. But y'all, it is not that bad. It is not bad. It actually tastes pretty damn good. You guys, did we just unlock something? Like, will we ever have to buy? Let me get a thumbnail. Good. It actually does not taste bad. Oh my goodness, you guys. Oh yeah, we should try the kids. We should let the kids taste it. Let's call in Leah. I always do her first. Leah!
Yes, coming.
Come here.
Yes.
Come on.
Oh no.
You gotta get in the camera so they can see you. Okay, here's Leah. She's about to taste my homemade cough syrup. Ready? I'm scared. Just 1 teaspoon.
Oh. It doesn't taste bad.
What is it? What is it?
It tastes musty. It tastes like
musty. Musty has a taste now.
It tastes musty?
It tastes musty.
It's dusty, musty, and crusty.
It tastes like honey, but it tastes musty. Like it's like, I don't know.
Here goes Braylon. Oh, sorry.
Do I have to taste this?
It tastes like if you were
Here's Braylon.
it tastes like if you were tasting stinky armpits.
Ew. I don't think I want to taste this now.
Ready?
Honey and
Open
stinky
your mouth.
armpits.
Swallow. It's honey.
See, it tastes good, right? But like, there's the stinky armpit smell. Like, what the? Your breath tastes musty. It's just nothing.
She was right. She was right. It tastes musty, dusty,
Honey, it tastes like
Chloe!
so many armpits and then don't
Come on.
afterwards.
Okay, so here's Chloe and Miss Aubrey.
I'm scared.
Okay, Miss Aubrey's gonna go first.
I like this. No, I don't.
Wait, come back.
You can't spit it out.
You don't like it?
Abby, don't spit it out.
Abby said, no, not this one.
Can I get one of those lollipops? My throat hurts.
Okay. This will make it feel better. It's perfect. Look at that segue. Okay. Ready? Come on. Chug it, chug it, chug it. Swallow it. It's delicious. Is it good? And it's Lana. She's gonna taste Mama's homemade cough syrup. Ooh, I don't want to spill it. It's so sticky. Ready?
I just taste honey. It's like blue.
Why does it taste oniony? There's onion in there.
That's the last one! Put it for coughing!
That's sister. She's not. I'm feeling too well. Okay, y'all. Well, I think it tastes good.
No.
Yes, and it's gonna make you feel so much better.
I don't like it.
But it's
tomato!
Tomatoes. You taste tomato? Okay. Well, it's good for you, and it's gonna make you feel better and get rid of the cough. But I'll make your other one. The other one she's talking about is when I heat up an orange, and I cut the orange in half, and I let the juices from the orange like build up, and then squeeze it, and I pour honey in there, and I just give her that. But it has to be hot. That one has to be not hot, but like warm. But that's another one. If you don't have any like cough syrup on hand, just use an orange and honey. You can use lemon too if you want to, but yeah, I already put the other one. But I'm gonna go ahead and toss this in the fridge because we are gonna be drinking this. Not drinking it, but having it. We need it. I need a label. Okay, y'all, so now that we're done with that, I'm gonna go ahead and pop these cookies in, you guys. I don't know, I've been like wanting some cookies, and these white chip macadamia nuts from Nestle looked so good. And Braylon likes chocolate chips, so I just got him that. But I'm gonna just do half and half because it is still a school night. And right after this, you know, I have to get everybody ready for bed. You know, everybody needs to take the showers and do all those things so we can get up in the morning. But let's make these cookies first. Let's see. Okay, y'all, so I messed up. I left them in there a little too long. This is the chocolate chip. This is the macadamia nut. Sorry. This is the girl that I'm watching right here. I'm watching her. She's doing like her makeup and stuff. But yes, they're still soft. They're not hard, but they are dark. But yeah, okay, y'all. Well, I'm gonna still eat them, me and the kids. But I'm about to get the kids into the bed, well, into the showers, get ready for bed, and do all our nighttime routine. And I'll see y'all in the morning. Hey y'all, so happy Friday. It is January 24th, and it is currently 1:50. And yeah, so I just got back from being out, and we got some food. We have to leave here in a minute to go pick up the kiddos, but we're gonna eat some chicken from KFC. Y'all, we've never ate at KFC. Well, obviously I have. It's just been a long time since we've ate there before. I got some chicken tenders. Let me show y'all. Oh. Okay, so this is what I got. It's some chicken. What was it called? Hot honey chicken. And then Leah got some fries and this. What does it look like? Some, y'all can't even see it. Chicken and macaroni and cheese mixed together. And some fries. Yeah, I got a biscuit. Oh, it's so greasy. Look at that oil. Mmm, delicious.
Okay, I can't cut this.
Okay, that's good. Pickle on top. You like it?
It's very spicy.
It's very spicy.
Actually, it's like in my throat. Like,
Yeah.
it tastes salty too. Like,
Is it salty? Yeah, but I know it's actually been a couple days. I think. Did we go to? No. Yesterday wasn't the dentist.
Wednesday.
Wednesday. I think the last time I talked to you was on Wednesday. But what we're gonna do is finish eating. I do want to get my Valentine's Day stuff out with you guys. I want to take it out and see what I have and go ahead and start putting it out because we're already on the 24th, y'all. We're not gonna have time to enjoy it. So we're gonna try to take it out. I will check in with you guys a little later. Okay, you guys, so this is the Valentine's Day buckets. On the top, it does have some Easter stuff in there, but for the most part, let's see what we got here. We're gonna just take this out really quick just to see. I'm not gonna put anything up right now because I gotta leave to go pick up the kiddos, but I just kind of wanted to glance to see what I had. So you see, when we went to Walmart, I told y'all I had one of those pillows. It's actually in the thumbnail, if you remember, that I had one like it. I got this one from At Home. So cute. Looks like we got some flowers. Got some pillowcases. What else we got in there, y'all? Oh, I got some candy trays. Oh, candy trays. I mean, candy jars that I need to wash. There's something in this one. What's in here? Oh, that was heavy. I probably shouldn't have did that. What is in there? Come open this. Cause I can't do it with one hand. Okay. I'm gonna just ditch out right here.
it's like the towels.
Some more towels. Okay. More towels.
More towels.
More towels. Okay. I don't think I have a lot of Valentine's Day stuff, so we do need to go shopping for more, but I have a love sign. Not quite like the one we saw at Walmart, but kind of same vibe. What is this? What is this? I actually have a Valentine's Day clean and decorate with me on my channel. Not on this channel, but my other channel.
Just pillowcases. Oh, these pillowcases.
Oh yeah, these are my new pillowcases. So I had, last year I did the red and pink vibe. And I think I'm just gonna do the same thing and just add to it. But these are just pillow covers. So we got a red pillow cover, a pink pillow cover. Oh, there's something in this one. See how it's not that much. But y'all know we got those signs from Aldi. And then we got the kitchen mat from Walmart.
This might be your. Oh. There's other stuff.
all of my stuff. So, let's see here. So, okay. Oh, I have the X and O's. Oh, I remember that one. Got a love sign. I got one of these. Arrow, love arrows. And these are my favorite. I don't know what they call, but these are my favorite. I love these. I kind of just drape them on like my coffee table or my bar when I decorate. Oh, why does that look like that? Is that, I don't even know. Can y'all see? Can y'all see that? Like, oh, I don't know if that's any good. I don't burn it. It's just for decor.
No, it's
So.
not as suspicious.
This goes to the puzzle piece. Yes, oh, I have another love sign. So a lot of love signs. Because love is in the air. Oh, look, the white one don't look like that. The white one's good to go. I think I got that from Kroger's. Oh, there's another one. That's it. Yep, it's the red ones that are kind of funky. What else? Oh, there's another one.
Oh my god, okay. Making a tower over here.
And then the puzzle pieces. Yeah. So that's pretty much it. It's just like 2 more of each of these that are in there. But as you can see, I don't have to do too much. So I kind of want to get some more stuff. Looks like mostly for the kitchen. I do need to decorate my coffee table. So maybe a little bit more on the coffee table. But I think it's almost time for us to get out of here. To go pick up the kiddos. So y'all probably can't even hear me, can y'all? Because my mic is the other way. Hey you guys. Happy Sunday. Yes. It's been a while since I've talked to you guys. The last time we talked was on Friday when we were getting out the Valentine's Day stuff. And that day I kind of just did our norm. Me and the kids, well, I always do Fun Friday for the kids, you know, especially if they have a good week. And they had a great week. So I took the kids to get some Sonic. They got these like milkshakes, and yeah, and I think I got one too for the first time because I normally don't. I love Sonic's pretzels, and sometimes I do treat myself to a pretzel, and I didn't this time. I just got a milkshake. Yeah, and then after that went to go pick up Lana, and then we came back home, and that was it, y'all. I kind of just chilled. We all chilled. The kids are allowed to have their tablet on Friday. I don't allow them to have their tablets throughout the week, so it's something that they look forward to every week. So they took their baths, they did all their stuff, and I ordered me some wine. And yeah, we just had a night. Saturday, I cleaned up on Saturday. And even though it doesn't look like it, because I didn't make my bed today, but shh, don't pay attention to that. Excuse me. But I did some cleaning yesterday and some editing this vlog that we're on right now, and basically that's it. I did do also some skincare. I used my new Mr. Jolt. When we went to Sephora in one of these vlogs, I got a new mask, and y'all, I am in love with that mask. That mask was amazing. I loved it so much. I will repurchase, but like not all the time, because that one is $16 and no. So that's definitely on special occasions. But yeah, if you haven't not used that before, definitely treat yourself. Especially, you know, we want to keep our youth, girls in our 40s. So we want to keep our youth as much as possible, and that's just having a good skincare. So yeah, but other than that, that's pretty much it. It's Sunday. We got to get ready for the week. Weather wise this week, because you know the weather around the world has been crazy. So this week is looking like we're having a lot of like ups and downs per usual. We have not so many cold days, but we do have a couple of cool, warm days. So at least the kids don't have to bundle up too much, because last week was crazy. But yeah, so an update on the cough syrup. That is, I used too much onion. I went a little ham with the onion. I don't think I need that much, but for the most part, y'all, it tastes like cough syrup and it's natural. And we need to really be paying attention to what we put in our mouth, because it's a lot of bad stuff, and I am just noticing a lot of bad things. Speaking of bad things, the whole thing with Target and like Walmart pulling back their, I think it's DEI. I didn't even know anything about this. I don't know what that means until I started to read about it, and it's sad. If you really think about it, it's so sad. Like, why would you want to get rid of something like that? You know what I mean? I mean, it includes everybody, and it's a grocery store. Everybody should feel welcome, not separated or whatever the case may be. But it's a lot of stuff going on in the world, and I just try not to be so involved in it, because it could get a little bit, you know, it can mess with your mental, just worrying and being anxious and all that stuff. And I do watch the news in the morning, but that's pretty much it. I try not to watch it all day, because it's just not healthy. So, but just be true to who you are, you know, give everyone the same, what am I looking for? Treat everyone like how you would want to be treated. I love everyone. I was not raised to be rude or disrespectful or, you know, discriminate against others. I love everybody, and I'm teaching my kids as well. I mean, don't be naive, you know what I mean? Because there's a, you know, but for the most part, just treat people like you want to be treated. And I just wish the world would just go back to the days where when I was younger, because I didn't feel that. I don't know if my mom was just good at shielding me from that, but I thought the world was a happy place. So yeah, but I've been talking to y'all for like 7 minutes. I don't want to keep y'all too long, but I am gonna go ahead and close out the vlog. I do hope you guys come back for the next one. I hope you're enjoying all the vlogs. I really appreciate you guys, and thank you guys for watching our vlogs. I definitely see the growth in this channel, in this community, and hope you guys learn something from me, or just that we can be friends, you know what I mean? But I thank you so much for always coming back, and I thank you for subscribing. And yeah, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And once you subscribe, you'll be becoming a part of all of this chaos. I want to thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll see you guys in our next vlog. Bye, y'all. Could be the kind of girl that you could be down for.